Now, sunlight is immensely important for us, and the idiots that have been out there have been, having us put on dark shades. What it does is it cuts off all of the beneficial rays that come from the sun. Now, some of these rays have frequencies that literally tingle, say, the melatonin in the eye. And what it does is it vibrates them and allows all of these extra hormones and extra neuropeptides to be generated just from the sunlight. And if we don't have that sunlight, that's when we get sick. That's when we get really ill. And that's one of the reasons why I'm here in Hawaii. And so could you. So we're going to look at, the eight key health assets. Your energy, your nutrition, your exercise, your sleep, your sunlight, and grounding, and thermogenesis. So more on that in a little bit.